In this lesson, we will learn how to write professional emails with ChatGPT. Easily write emails and set the tone to professional. With that, while writing emails, you can also set the length of the email. Write emails for the upcoming meeting or to your boss for a leave. Let's see how. So here is our ChatGPT. Okay, under prompt, let's say I want to send an email to my boss for 5 days leave. So I'll write an email. Write an email to my boss for 5 days leave. Okay, you can also mention keep it brief. Okay, here you can see you can mention the boss name. You could have also mentioned under the prompt the name of the boss, but let us leave it. Okay, so here you can also mention the start and end date for the leave. With that, you can also mention the colleague's name who will be covering for you. That means who will do your work in your absence. And everything else is mentioned. Directly mention your name here. That's it. Copy from here. If you don't like it, you can regenerate. You can also tell ChatGPT that this is a bad response from here. In this way, guys, you can easily write emails. Now let's be more specific. Okay, here you can see we can also write the following prompt. Generate a gentle reminder email to remind the client. Let's say I'll mention the name here, client name, Studiopedia, about an upcoming meeting scheduled for April 25. The purpose of the meeting is to discuss you can also mention the meeting agenda. To be more specific, let's say Python course launch, and you can also encourage the client to come prepared with any relevant materials or questions. So you are informing the prompt, the AI model regarding this, that you need to write something related to encouraging the client to come prepared with any relevant material. Send message. Okay, here it is. Dear Studiopedia team, I hope this email finds you well. We have mentioned the scheduled meeting date also with the agenda Python course launch. Okay, and other things related to any relevant material or questions are visible here. And here you can mention your name as well as your position and contact information. So in this way, guys, you can easily write emails with the ChatGPT. You can also set the tone. Let's say set the tone professional, or keep it short, keep it brief, keep it of medium length, keep it less than 500 words. So you can also use these specific prompts in an email to get specific results. Thank you for watching the video.